Achoo.
Dad, are you okay? Oh no, Dad has a really bad cold today, and he looks so tired.
I feel very weak today, kids, but I will be fine after some rest.
Finn, let us become Dad's little helpers today and take good care of him.
Yes, that is a great idea. I am ready to help Dad feel better.
That is very sweet of you two. Let us learn how to care for him. First, we need to prepare some warm water and a healthy meal for Dad.
We must wash our hands first so we do not spread any sickness around. Look at me, Nia. I am wearing my chef apron to help make soup.
You look great, Finn. Now let us get a clean glass for warm water.
Warm water helps soothe a sore throat and keeps the body hydrated well. I will carry the glass of water to Dad very carefully, Nia. Step by step, slow and steady, so I do not spill a single drop. Here is some warm water for you, Dad. Please drink it slowly now.
Thank you so much, Finn. This warm water feels very good already.
Now let us check Dad's temperature to see if he has a fever.
It is always good to check the temperature when you feel sick.
Is the temperature high, Mom? Does Dad have a very bad fever?
His temperature is just a little high, so he needs plenty of rest.
Cover up with this warm blanket, Dad, so you stay nice and warm.
Thank you, Nia. Resting under a soft blanket makes me feel cozy.
Now, let us make some warm, delicious vegetable soup for your loving father. Fresh vegetables give us strength and vitamins to fight off bad sickness.
I am washing the carrots until they are completely clean and bright. Peeling potatoes is fun. I am helping make the best soup ever.
Great job, kids. Cooking with love makes the food taste much better. Look at all the colorful vegetables cooking together in the warm pot.
I am stirring the soup gently so all the good flavors mix well.
It smells so good. The warm soup is almost ready now. Be very careful, this soup is hot. Let it cool down slightly first.
Lemon adds extra vitamin C. It will help Dad get better faster. I have the soup tray ready. Let us bring it to Dad together.
Here comes your delicious warm lunch, Dad. Made with love by us. Wow, that smells wonderful. You two are truly amazing little helpers today. This soup is delicious and warms my stomach right away.
Hooray! Dad loves the soup. Eating healthy food gives you energy. Here is a fresh tissue for you, Dad, in case you sneeze again.
Thank you, Nia. I feel much better after eating this warm soup.
Now it is time for Dad to take his medicine after eating. Always follow doctor instructions and measure medicine very carefully every time.
Medicine helps fight the tiny germs inside our bodies, right, Mom?
Yes, Finn. Medicine gives our body the extra power to heal faster.
Medicine tastes a bit yucky, but it helps me recover quickly.
Drink some fresh water right now, Dad. It will wash away yucky taste.
Much better. Thank you, Finn. You are a very thoughtful boy.
Now Dad needs a quiet place to sleep without any loud noises.
Shh. We must walk quietly like small mice so Dad can sleep. Shh. I am being super quiet. No loud sounds in the house.
It is so peaceful and cozy now. Time for a long nap.
Dimming the light helps the brain relax and get deep, restorative sleep.
Here is an eye mask, Dad, so the light does not bother you.
Thank you, sweet Nia. Good night for a little while, my dear kids.
Sleep well, Dad. We will clean up the house while you rest. Let us clean up the kitchen together to surprise Mom and Dad.
Washing dishes keeps our home clean and stops bad germs from spreading.
I am wiping the table clean. Look how shiny and bright it is.
Wow, you two are doing an extraordinary job cleaning up everything. I am so proud of how responsible and helpful you both are. Keeping things organized makes our living room feel peaceful and cozy today.
Putting away my toys prevents anyone from tripping or making loud noise.
A cool, damp cloth on the forehead can make Dad feel comfortable.
I will place this soft, damp cloth on Dad's forehead very gently.
This cool cloth will help you feel refreshed while you are sleeping.
Dad looks so peaceful now. Rest is the best medicine for colds.
I am drawing a big, bright sun and colorful flowers for Dad. I drew Dad as a superhero beating up tiny, green, cold germs. Look at our beautiful card. Dad will love this happy surprise.
The afternoon passed quietly, and Dad has rested for many hours now.
I had such a wonderful nap. I feel much better now.
Dad is awake. How are you feeling now, Dad? Are you better?
My head does not hurt anymore, and I have so much energy.
We made this special card for you to help you feel happy.
Oh, this superhero drawing and bright sun card are absolutely wonderful.
Look who is feeling healthy again. Time for some delicious fresh fruit.
Thank you, my little helpers. Your love cared for me so well.
Helping family when they are sick is the most important thing ever.
Seeing you happy and healthy again makes us the happiest kids today.
Having such a loving and caring family is the greatest gift of all. Taking care of each other with love makes every sick day better.